Hello everyone, Storm 101 here. Today we'll be taking a look at our long-range forecast, and also we have a potential for a winter storm. Now this will be going coast to coast, and I'll show you all in that in a moment. Right now we're going to start with current radar right now. So we got a lot of snow going on for the northeast. Now some of those areas are switching over to freezing rain, to rain, or just freezing rain or sleet. Now, when you have something like this, you can have some problems. Now, you will get snow, but like whenever it starts to transition back, but it's not going to be that much. But around like the lake effect areas, yeah, you'll definitely get to see some lake effects though. If y'all probably hearing some in the background, I'm getting some high wind at my house, so I do apologize for that. So you got snow here in the blue. Probably some of y'all can see that down in here. So snow is in the blue. In the pinks, that's rain and snow, or you could say sleet or freezing rain. In the green is just rain. And so right around here in the Kentucky area, man, we just had like a 20-degree drop in 3 to 4 hours, and that's big time for a cold front. We were like in the high 50s earlier today, and now we're going to be going down into the 20s at some point tonight. So we're going to be seeing some snow showers around here in the Kentucky area, up and around the Great Lakes region. When those winds are kicking in, yes, you will get a lot of lake effect snow in there as well. So winter storm Maya is right now probably start to see this thing to move out to some point tomorrow. Now let's go ahead to go to the potential winter storm. Now let's first take a look. Actually, let's take a look at the GFS first, like I always do. So there goes winter storm Maya. We're going to have another system to go through the Rockies and the West Coast, bringing in more rain and snow. You got another one. This one here becomes a clipper up in the Great Lakes. We got another one. So the West right now is just going to get hit hard by systems. It's going to cause some flooding, avalanches up in those mountains. So there's a lot of threats to deal with over there. You got a clipper system going through parts of the Tennessee and Ohio valleys into the east there. You get some snow and rain. There goes another clipper going through the same area, similar areas, but a little bit to the north. Now here comes this system next week. We got that system pushing up to the northeast, and that starts to move out there. Now that's the system we're going to watch, and that is going to be, let's back this up. This is the system we're going to watch for the areas down the south from the GFS model. Wants to show a lot of rain. Now this model has really pushed us up to the north. The snow corridor last night was actually down where you see those yellows and oranges and reds down around in there. But now it's just moved up to the north. Expect to see that happen a lot. Models do tend to do that, go back and forth about this far out. Now this is a week out. And that could be a potential winter storm for the northern part of the storm there. Now how much rain does the system want to predict? It could be a lot of rain for a lot of people. It can see up to 6 inches of rain, and that's pretty isolated. While out in the west, could see up in those mountains, there's going to be a lot of moisture going on up there, maybe up to a foot of rain, but that's just going to be snow. But out of those mountain areas and out near the coast, a little bit similar situation. You can see areas up to 8 inches. Now let's go ahead and look at snowfall. Now this is 204 hours out. So this is his prediction. Out in the west, you got a lot of snow in those Rocky Mountains. Down the lower elevations, could see between either from like a dusting up to maybe 5 or 6 inches. Now, here's the system right here. It's going to be right in here, like parts of Missouri could see maybe up to 7 inches or maybe 8, possibly. Seems like it kind of dies down whenever it reaches the Ohio Valley region and kind of picks up a little bit whenever it reaches to the northeast. Now let's go ahead and look at the FE3. I guess we could go ahead and take a look at snow. Seems like the FE3 version of the GFS was to keep it a little bit to the south for parts of the northern of Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia. And this here is just from a Clipper system. I think what prediction is to be a little bit stronger. Now, how much rain doesn't want to show? Well, it doesn't really seem to be a lot of moisture to deal with this here. Showing less rainfall totals, maybe up to 5 inches. Now over there in parts of northern California there, could see maybe up to 8 or 9 inches forecasted from the FE3. Now let's go ahead and go to the Euro here. Look at some snowfall totals for the next 10 days here. It wants to take that system about as close as the GFS wants to show. Maybe like 6 inches of snow for parts of Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky. Back in Missouri, it's around maybe 8 inches. Around there. And now here, those mountains, 85 inches. That's a lot of snow for the next 10 days. Those mountains over there, maybe up to 40 inches. Now, rainfall totals, there's going to be a lot of rain there, maybe up to 8 inches. So there's a good agreement of maybe isolated areas can see up to 8 inches of rain over there. Down around the Los Angeles area. Could see a similar situation. When you get rains like this for the next 10 days, it's not good. When you get some of those desert lands, you can get flash floods easily around there. Let's go back here around in the east. There's areas that can see for those same old areas there. They've been getting a lot of rain for the past few months. Now around here in the Kentucky area, we've been stuck in rain for over a year now. And it just still keeps on going with rain here. We just had 2 to 3 inches of rain around here. And it seems like we may get another 3 inches for the next 10 days. Hopefully there's going to be relief. And this here, all this stuff will change over to snow eventually. Because we never even had a winter storm yet this season. But now, what I'm seeing here is it could be similar to last year's winter. Where we had cold in January, mild and wet in February, then late February into March, we had a couple winter storms. So it's really looking like that, at least for the storm tracks. Some of the storm tracks come from in the Central Rockies, some of them come from Canada, maybe a couple of them could come from Texas as well. So this is all I got for y'all guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment what you think about this video. If you got any questions there, and leave a like. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.